Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a crucial step for understanding your website's performance, connecting Google Analytics with Google Search Console. This integration unlocks powerful insights, letting you see how search queries drive traffic and how your site performs in search results. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Analytics account. Make sure you have edit permissions for the property you want to connect. Then navigate to the admin section, which is the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Now, in the property column, scroll down until you find the product links section. Then click on Search Console links. You will see a list of associated Search Console sites or a prompt to add one. If your site is not listed, you have to click on link. Now you will be redirected to this dashboard where you have to choose Search Console property. Now click on Choose Accounts. Ensure that you have ownership verification for the Search Console property that you want to connect with Google's Analytics. So I want to connect this Search Console property. So I'll be clicking on it. Then click on Confirm. Click on Next. Now you have to select the web stream. Choose the web data stream you want to link it to Google Analytics. Then click Continue or Next. Now you have to review and submit. Okay, here you go. The link between Google Analytics and Google Search Console has been created. It may take some time for data to populate. Once connected, you can view Search Console data directly within Google Analytics account. So, wait for our next video. Until then, bye bye.